positioning. Something is a little weird there. He comes up short, going over the handlebars. Now next is another section of jumps. Oh.
And I think that might be part of the key. Oh! And guys, we must. Oh, Stewart!
Up through the pack, making some good.
He's on the number 15.
Told my boss that I'm done. Had no
Facility board gets off balance.
Second did not jump, or I'm sorry, third did not jump the triple.
run.
Whoa, so is Rusty Holland,
Maybe guilty, but
got a lot of metal in there as well. Foot pegs catching your knees and your thighs. You're short.
Watch what happens. He gets sideways in there, Jeff.
Yeah, and it's good.
Oh, guys! Oh, here's Olsen. Oh, he loses the front end. Battle over! Oh, and he's off.
He went off the track.
Oh, caught the square edge.
Those problems continue. He cannot get on the ball.
Fredrickson. Oh, huge there. Oh, and then he.
going nowhere else.
This goes right into his stomach.
Driving towards the sun.
Tags a rear wheel there of Adam Sterry, and then over the bars and down.
Just the front end tucks and blows his hand off. Luckily.
Oh, hits. Venetian guy. Oh, that's the problem there. Oh, big crash.
Oh, his foot comes off.
Oh,
no.
boy.
Yeah.
Take another look at it right here. He comes over the triple and clips his foot.
Off where she landed. Courtney Duncan. Oh! Oh, that's.
There's Huffman on the left.
Absolutely nothing in there!
Is he going to get through the... Oh, no!
Oh, big crash! Tim Geiser. Oh! Is the danger. Stop.
He needed over Langenfelder, who did it.
Oh! And then Spaniard! But then he gets pulled wide. So too does Geiser. Just a passenger. Face plants the ground. Almost got his...
He was able to get away. You saw him come down.
For a lap or so. Oh, Porcel!
Does. And Geiser. Oh.
Fortunately, the bike did not chase him down.
Pono gets caught out and has all kinds of problems.
Between... Oh! The
3 riders here.
Wow, that's short.
thing came around on him and got aggressive, flung him down the track. All ends of season. Ah! Oh, big... Oh, knack. Oh!
Big one there.
Oh, Siwa.
Riders go down, including the 175 of Cook.
Oh, Jonas just got it wrong.
Oh, yeah, he drug his
no.
foot pegs. Yeah, so he drug his foot pegs.
Oh, man.
And the bike.
Sam and Geiser. Throws it. Oh. Oh!
talking about. He's so fast.
Kaiser already doing an Alpino.
Whoa, where did it come from?
Oh, Henry Jacobi. Oh, exactly. Coming back to the inside. They both go down. Look, straight on, up onto the bank. Up by 3/10, and he does set the fastest lap of the race.
Here comes Decker, not quite yet.
Side, and he and Koldenhoff both. Oh, he just caught the bank. Wow. Oh, the Pino! Whoa! Oh, off the...
That's short. Bam! And watch this bounces off.
Rattled easy as Davos. That's a
And that line that Davey was talking about, this is the tail end.
And yes, slow all at once. Here we go.
One was going to go up the inside. George Smith wasn't anticipating.
To the outside. Well, we go! And he committed to the jump.
set up and a tremendous machine.
And then Audi Ferrato.
Comes up short. Boom, hits him.
Yeah, that's exactly what he does! And the two... Oh!
And this could be where it happens here. This is the
Whoa! Whoa! Huge! As Tawani hit the bank, not once, not twice, grabbed a handful of gas. Watch this here. Whoa! Oh, Cairo! Flinging in, it's on!
Oh, he's in trouble. Look.
Added suspension on the bike. Oh!
He comes up short, feet come off.
How much pain must he be in now?
This is where he was going to catch Dungy and he comes up. That was that tricky. Wow, man.
Second. Oh!
He hits hard. Look at her. Oh, and he just cross ruts just a little bit coming out of the...